My name's Stephen Williams and I'm the E-sgol leader for Mid Wales, but I also coordinate the Carlam Cymru revision sessions. The aim of the Power Up campaign is to reassure and support learners from across Wales in preparation for the next steps in their lives, whether that's through wellbeing guidance or the Carlam Cymru revision sessions. In January 2021, the Welsh Government approached and commissioned E-sgol to deliver a series of online live revision sessions for GCSE, AS and A-level students. The revision sessions cover a wide range of core and non-core subjects, from your maths, sciences to your politics and electronics. The purpose of the revision sessions is to reinforce subject knowledge in certain subjects and also to sit alongside the amazing work that the teachers provide to our students in their schools. For more information, go visit gov.wales/powerup.